a hair. Dropping it down. Don't roll. Don't want it to use tip stop. Good afternoon, guys. Back at this field today. I've got 4 planes. Got the glider just for a chill flight. I've got a new Maiden. I just built it this week. Kind of a interesting build. We'll see how that goes. It's going to be a 3S 1300 milliamp battery with a 7-inch 3 propeller prop. You can see there. Got the wing glider, which is super fun. Of course, the pusher jet. This spot is pretty optimal for flying, especially with the huge retention pond down here. But eventually, this is all going to be developed. You can see here, just within a week, they've already put up a pile of sand. There's more construction. I'm sure it's going to be apartments all this side. It's the south side. Residential, maybe some businesses, and then of course more homes this way. This is on the Horizons west west side of Orlando. It's probably Winter Garden now at this point, but wish me luck. Try and get psyched up for this flight. All right, Maiden flight. I think this is a 900mm or 950mm. It was a kit put together, 1450 kV I believe is the motor, or 1400 kV, 40 amp ESC, 3S 1300. One thing I don't want to do is chase after this, so hopefully it lands okay. I don't want to go down the hill again. I'm going to give it an overhand toss into the wind. Hopefully it doesn't roll because it's very lightweight. Might be not an optimal day to flight, but we'll see. Nice, that was easy. Full throttle, it's bouncing up in the wind. The CG is spot on per the manual. A little bit of roll. Yeah, get some more right trim. It's got a full aileron, rudder. Look at that, that's like 60% throttle into the wind. That's how much one you got. I need some down elevator. It's a high alpha right there. It's just floating right in spot. That's funny. All right. The colors are almost the same on the top and bottom, so it's a little bit hard to see. Plenty of rudder. Let's test out some rolls. Left roll. I could use more throws. That was full rate throw. Maybe I'm 90% rate. I'm gonna turn that up. Let me do a slow glide in front of me. There it is, 40-50% throttle, just floating in the wind. That's fun. A little bit more, 55-60% throttle. That thing just floats. It's not a foam material. It actually, well, it's almost like a cardboard foam material. Let's do another roll. Let's do a roll into the wind. It might give it more authority. Rudder turn. Let's do a right aileron roll. It's full throttle. Yep. I don't know. Let's try to do a knife edge. It's hard to see. It's too bumpy for really aerobatics right now. Definitely a park flyer. Go in a smaller field with this. All right, let's try that again. Trying to do a knife edge. Need some forward speed. Don't have a gyro. It's all manual. 60% throttle, 55% throttle. Look at that, it's just floating. Full throttle. Not a bad buy. It was $50 for this kit, and then I had my own parts. So you can build it for under 70 bucks. Let's do another float by. It could fit a 3S 2200 if you wanted. Right there. That's the throttle right there. 55. My battery's probably dying a hair. Dropping it down. Don't roll. Don't want it to tip stall. give it full elevator, it wasn't pulling back up. That wind was pushing it. Let's do a loop here. Full elevator. Let's do that again. Full elevator. It's a little better. Roll. Snap roll it. Couple snap rolls there. That is just floating. Snap roll. Full throttle the whole time. Another snap roll. Alright. Let me try and bring it downwind in front of me. Okay, throttle off. Gliding downwind. And it's got some... That's how fast the wind's going. Just get another slow flyby. That's just cool to see. Alright, here we go. Find that wind. Looks like 50% throttle, maybe 55. I'll land it. That's my landing speed. Let's do a hammerhead, sort of. Sweet. And let's try keeping with this one. Not enough. Not enough. Let's do keep another way into the wind, full throttle. Pulling it up. Rolling it out. Try it again. Rolling it out. Alright, my timer is off. It's out. It's landed. Get up there. Oh, I'm cutting it. Alright, the wind just pushed it down. We'll take it. Well, it's all with the batteries. I would fly the wing, but I don't have an adapter. Well, I needed one piece. Minimal training or minimal trimming I needed to do here. Got one spectator coming up. But yeah, you can see the material on this. Some lady, some chick. But yeah, it's like almost like a poster board material. But it's got a 2 wing spars on the main wing here. Yeah, it's kind of a messy build. I used super glue at first, mono glue, and then some hot glue. I did have issues with the servo. You can see I had to cut the side in. I just couldn't get those leads in far enough. All right, I'm gonna call it. See those videos shortly.